best ways to improve mental, physical, and emotional health is by eating the right foods. Dr. Christina Rahm is here to share more about her cookbook, Cure the Causes, and learn how you can take ownership of your own well-being. Dr. Rahm, thank you so much for joining us. So your cookbook is fascinating. What can you tell us about writing it?
Well, I really wanted to get across to people how important nutrition is and how you have to get to the root of the issue to cure the cause of everything from emotional, mental to physical health, like autoimmune disorders or mental illness and even ADHD. So I approached that through nutrition as well as certain things that people could do in their life to make their life even better.
Absolutely. I don't think we give food the credit it deserves. So what do you want people to get from this book?
Well, I've traveled to 88 countries. I've worked with a lot of governments and I've worked with a lot of different healthcare providers. I wanted people to see not just what happens in the United States, but all over the world and how we could use different herbs and plants and seeds and oils to really help our bodies. And we can even eat them to have a better life and even look better as we're aging.
I love that. So I'm assuming you can't sit still. It sounds like you're an adventure girl. What's next?
So we're launching a coffee that I made where I detox the beans and make them healthy because there's a lot of mold in coffee. It's called Rahm Roast. And then I'm writing another book called Be Your Inspiration that fits along with our EnvironWare, which is protecting the body against the environment. So I'm excited about that too.
So cool, making your own coffee. Hey, no better place to be talking about than Coffee with America. That's awesome. And a new book.
We'll
Wonderful.
have to send you some so that you can try it.
Absolutely. Dr. Rahm, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.